All right, so this video is gonna be just the big mouth intake. As you can tell, we already took the front bumper off. And we're actually in the process of putting on the fenders. But while we're doing that, we're gonna put this on. We got 2 bolts here. I believe they're 10mm on each side. That comes out, and you put that on after you take this piece off. That's all there is to it. I'm just putting this back on now. And it's pretty simple. The only thing I don't really care for is the fact that you are not able to use that that plastic piece that came, this cowling. That won't fit with this on. But other than that, it's pretty cool. It's on. Just Zeus it back on and it's fine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.